Last winter you could throw money at almost any meme coin and somehow walk away with profit. But today that same market will humble you in minutes. I've been trading meme coins for over a year now, and let's be real, making money in this market has become way harder. It's not impossible, but the game has changed. We've got much less runners, and the runners we do have aren't even close to what we had last cycle. Coins like Peanut, Trump coin, Pengu don't really exist anymore. Instead, the market is flooded with vamp coins, dozens of them every single day. And that noise makes the real gems almost impossible to spot, well, unless you're glued to the screen 24/7. So I started asking myself a serious question. What if memecoin trading is not the easiest way anymore? That's when I started looking at prediction markets, specifically Polymarket, where instead of staring at candles, people are exploiting market mistakes, mispriced odds, broken probabilities, and slow market reactions. And some of them are quietly making millions. So today I'm running a real experiment. I will start by setting up a copy trading bot that copies proven profitable wallets on Polymarket. And while that runs in the background, I'll do what I always do, manually trade meme coins. Same time window, same market day, with my own money on the line. Now of course, results vary day to day, the market changes constantly. But today, under these exact conditions, we're gonna find out what's actually easier as a beginner with minimum effort. Manual meme coin trading or copy trading on Polymarket. Let's get into it. So obviously the first step in copying successful Polymarket wallets is finding successful Polymarket wallets. Today I'm going to show you two ways to do that. The first way is the manual way. So you head over to polymarket.com, you click on any market of your choice. So for example, let's click on this one. Will anyone be jailed over the files? So our goal here is to find people that are abusing market mistakes. So we're not gambling here. I am against gambling. I think gambling will always result in you losing money. By the way, this video is just an educational experiment. It's not financial advice. So here we scroll down and click on activity. And here we select minimum amount of $10,000. And this particular market, for example, no one placed any bets over $10,000, so let's choose another one. Okay, this market is about Bitcoin price. Let's do the same thing here. And we can see that this guy placed $11,000 on Bitcoin going up. Let's click on his profile and check out his PNL. I'm not experienced at Polymarket at all. I'm just a beginner that's just trying it out. But you don't need to be an expert to see that this motherfucker is only betting on Bitcoin. And it's a bit suspicious. He's also trading like every minute. It doesn't look like this guy's human. So even though he made like 20k last month, I would personally avoid copying this wallet. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, let's check out this politics market about US and Iran. So what I personally would be looking out here for is people that bought with a lot of money. So for example, these guys here bought 100k plus a long time ago. So this guy bought 2 days ago. That's not a really long time ago, but this guy bought 18 days ago when it was still at 94 cents, and he invested $135,000. Let's check out his wallet. So his weekly PNL is minus 300,000, but his overall PNL is plus 300,000. So he's a big player. He's probably a gambling addict, I'm not gonna lie. As far as I'm concerned, this guy's mainly betting on sports. So his biggest win was $350,000 when he bet 38k for Bayern Munich not to win. The difference between prediction markets and gambling, for example, is that in Polymarkets there is no house edge. All the odds here are determined by the traders, and in theory they can't be exploited. He also has some active positions about politics and mainly football again. And his PNL for 1 month is minus 1 million. I wouldn't want to track this guy, to be honest. He has his vision, I'm pretty sure. We wish him good luck. I mean, he's still in the green overall, so good for him. But let's search for something else. Another files market, and we see that this guy bought No for 19k at 76. Now it's at 81, so it's a good play. So this wallet to me looks active, looks organic. He's mainly betting on politics, unlike our sports enthusiast. So if you like this wallet, if you want to copy trade it, if you want to track it, if you just want to have it under your pillow, I don't know, you can click on copy address and save it. The second way to find successful Polymarket wallet is using Creo. Because I'm a beginner, it's much easier for me, and all you gotta do is click on smart wallets, and here you can see the 24-hour volume for this wallet, the PNL for this wallet, and it just makes it much easier. You can also see the unusual activity tab with all the whales unusual activity with the quick buy option, the X tracker here with all the latest news on sports, politics, and pretty much any markets you would like. So for example, we have this Pelicans versus Hornets market here, and the whale name is Herdonia. So just by clicking on this Creo wallet, you're back on the Polymarket page with your known interface where you can analyze the wallet closely with all the activity of the wallet and etc. This video is about copy trading, so you can either copy trade like this by just clicking quick buy buttons here, or you can use Creo Polymarket Trading Bot. So to completely automate the process, you click on copy trade, add task, click on the Creo wallet that you want to use. For example, in my case, it's wallet 1, and just paste the Polymarket wallet that you want to copy trade. For example, that's the wallet that we copied 2 minutes ago, and just just send this message. After that, you just name your wallet. Let's name our wallet wallet1. And here's the most important part. You don't want to be buying in with the same amount that they're buying in, because they're probably buying in with like 50k or 60k. So let's say our minimum buy amount would be like 20 bucks. And to configure max amount, you press here. And let's say it's gonna be 50 bucks per trade. This means that your minimum trade will be $20 and your maximum trade will be $50. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, that wallet is being copy traded already, and we have these options to choose from. We have a buy on sales, we have copy sales, we have counter trade, which is pretty much an Uno reverse card. I mean, there's literally a lot of options to choose from, but I don't really need it. And due to the fact that we only have 24 hours for this challenge, I usually have 1 hour for challenges. Now I feel a bit of freedom. 24 hours is a lot for my channel. I think it's going to be pretty much pointless using the Telegram bot, because we're going to have a lot of markets that are still open after 24 hours, and it's going to be impossible to see if we made profit or not. I mean, it's going to be possible, but it's going to be much more difficult. So I think I'm going to copy trade here on Creo's website to trade only on the markets that are going to close within 24 hours. To start trading, all you need is to click on wallets and deposit USDC to your Creo wallet. This one is mine. You don't have to send me money, but I mean, you can if you want. I'm just joking. I don't need your money. Just subscribe. You just need this one wallet to start trading both on Telegram and on the web version. To make the experiment fair, I've just deposited $200 on both wallets, and by the end of the 24 hours, we'll see which wallet made me more money. Enough talking. Let's start trading. Also, guys, please note, when you're sending money to this wallet, you have to use USDC.E. I'll show you where to get it in a bit, but if you accidentally send the normal USDC, like I have, then you type in /recover command like I have here, and you type in the amount USDC that you have sent. I sent 208 USDC, so I recovered 208 USDC back to the wallet I sent it from. Now I'm gonna show you how to get USDC.E. You can do it right inside your Phantom wallet. The only thing you're gonna have is some Polygon for fees. You can pretty much swap anything you like into USDC.E. For example, I wanna swap some Solana. I have like 0.08 Solana, so I wanna swap it. And instead of selecting the normal USDC like I have here, you're gonna select this one, USD coin and POS in brackets, and you're gonna make sure that here it says USDC.E. Press swap now, and now this is the one that you send to your Creo wallet. Now that we have our $200 in our Creo wallet, we can start trading. I think it's gonna be better if we split our $200 into 4 $50 bets, and I personally think it's gonna be better if we place 2 bets on crypto and 2 bets on sports, because these are the markets that are gonna have enough time to close within 24 hours of our challenge. We've got some basketball bets here, and by the way, I don't know shit about basketball. The only thing I know about basketball is Michael Jordan. Okay, so essentially the whole purpose of this video is to check if copy trading on Polymarket will beat manual memecoin trading. So let's not put any thought process behind it. Let's just find markets that are gonna close within 24 hours and buy them. As simple as that. Let's search for something with good odds at least. Something like 50-50 or 60-40 at least. Spread Kings minus 2.5. That's something in American. That's a very American sentence. Another one. Grizzlies versus Kings. This is a basketball, so I guess it's a basketball game. Again, we're not thinking about it. We're just copying and hoping that they know something that we don't. So let's buy no for $50. Great. Trade executed, bought no. Amazing. I really hope that this game is within 24 hours. The game is tomorrow at 5 a.m, so it's within 24 hours, so it's good, it suits us. I mean, I don't even know what OU stands for. OU in betting stands for over-under, a type of wager where bettors predict whether the total combined score. Okay, so it's the points. Why are all these teams so corny? Timberwolves, Raptors, Oilers. Fuck it, trader PNL 200k, trader rank 5, he's betting on Oilers. Okay, fuck it, let's bet on Oilers, I don't care. Let's buy yes, whatever that may mean. Now we have 2 trades for sports. Let's find 2 trades for crypto. Alright, let's copy this Bitcoin trade. I don't want to put any thinking into it. I just want to buy what they're buying and forget. Forget until tomorrow. Okay, fuck it, let's just buy this. And now we're gonna trade Solana meme coins manually like I normally do, because like Polymarket for me is completely new. We're just testing out this system of copying Polymarket traders. You imagine we end up making much more money with Polymarket than a meme coins. That would be crazy. What's this Memecoin about? Let's send Millie to Emilia and show the power of meme coins. I'll post the coin to the tweet. I think one member of my community called this coin. Yeah, he called it at 10k. Wow. What a call. Almost a 10x from now. Should we buy this dip here? That's a really good dip. Will it continue dipping? Maybe. Actually, no, let's create a limit order. Let's sell 100% when it reaches, let's say, 130. Okay, that looks good. Let's just keep 0.3 Sol in here. I just bought $1 from the dev wallet, and the goal of the coin is to never sell that $1. That's an interesting idea. Fuck it, why not? It's a fun idea, it's a fun narrative. Okay, it looks like it's going places. I bought, then it dipped to like 19k. I thought it was over, but now it's back. I think we're back, so let's sell 100%. We made $4. but it's alright. Okay, the Memecoin, we're back. The coin is fucked. The coin is at 6k. However, our limit order that was set saved us. It made us $24, so almost 100% PNL. So from just 2 coins, we're already up around $30. Everyone is buying duck. What's this? Insane narrative related to the China ban on crypto. Okay, let's invest 0.4 Sol, because I think this is a narrative that has got a lot of potential at the moment. And I think this is a good buying spot right here. Copsy just taped as well, but it doesn't really mean anything. Nah, I don't see it pumping. I was hoping for a quick flip, but it's not worth holding, I think. I mean, if it's true, this coin can send. Let's throw in 0.3. Look at this picture. Like, who made this? All right, let's make another limit order for this one. Let's say now it's at 35, 40. Let's say 65. Yeah, we're gonna sell 100% at 65k. And I get nervous every time I see him looking at me, so yeah, let's trade something else. You know what? Let's cancel. Let's quickly cancel our limit order. Yeah, let's hold it for a bit more. And let's sell it now. There was no point of canceling it, to be honest. Another $25. I mean, a pretty solid execution, almost at the top. So yeah, it was just a matter of which one, because it was 3 of them. I think, yeah, we picked the right one because this one had the most volume. Also, some wallets that I'm tracking aped into this one. Never just copy wallets. I say it in every single video, and I'll not get tired of saying it. Just watch them and analyze their behavior and analyze the attention. That's it. Not more, not less. True Social CEO, Dev just dropped an official Claw AI companion that is insane. 0.3 Sol in. Crabs and lobsters have been trading a lot recently. Okay, let's play this one by the book. Let's sell 50% here. And this guy is going insane. Let's mute him for a bit. Okay, another 50% here. Yeah, okay, let's sell everything here. Interesting to see our PNL. $15. Okay, look at this chart, looks like a fucking Christmas tree. So basically Alan revived the trenches when he CTO'd Alan and then sent it to 200 million market cap. He can do it again and revive the trenches. Okay, trader meta. Alan is not really a trader, but he's a creator of pump funds, so I think it aligns well. Let's just throw in 0.2 Sol. And I think I don't really want to trade a lot because we just placed 4 trades on Polymarket. And if we actually trade for the 24 hours we have, it's going to be a bit unfair. Okay, I think we made a bit of profit here from 0.2 Sol. We made $2. So we made around $60 in this Memecoin trading session, and now it's the moment we've all been waiting for. We're gonna check the results on Creo, how much we made just by blindly copying whales on Polymarket. I'm gonna put some movie trailer music on this. Let's go. All we have to do is type /positions. Are you guys ready to see how much money? You imagine we're millionaires. Okay, probably not. No more talking. Let's check it. Let's wrap it up. Today, manual Memecoin trading made me around $60, and blindly copy trading smart wallets on Creo lost me around $125. However, Creo still makes trading on Polymarket much easier, especially if you're just starting out. The interface is clean, everything is straightforward, and it removes a lot of the friction that makes Polymarket confusing at the start. You can check it out through the link in the description. And now I want to hear from you. What should I test next? Different Polymarket strategies, maybe copy trading some specific wallets that you know, or meme coins versus prediction markets with stricter rules, anything. Please drop your ideas in the comments, I actually read them. Subscribe to my channel not to miss more interesting money experiments. I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.